Today I wanted some pasta, so we're going to whip up some halal chicken and penne Alfredo. We're going to start by boiling some penne pasta. Not much to see here, pretty basic. The intricacy comes once our noodles are drained. Go ahead and throw your noodles in a mixing bowl and place about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then give that a good mix. This will help prevent our noodles from sticking together later. Now we'll add in 1 package of steamed broccoli and mix it up one more time. Set that aside for now while we prep a yellow onion. To quickly dice an onion, simply cut it horizontally, then place several cuts vertically at your desired size. Then rotate the onion and slice across. This will give you nice little diced up pieces and save you tons of time. Let's continue the simplicity by using Midamar's Halal diced chicken. It's fully cooked, so it's a great item for quick and easy meals like this. While frozen, we'll toss that into a large Dutch oven and cook it until it's thawed. This chicken is really lightly seasoned, so it's perfect for adding your own seasonings to make this your own. I wanted to keep mine pretty quick and classic, so I hit it with 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Get all those seasonings mixed up into your chicken, then we'll remove the chicken to a bowl for now. Without cleaning the pot, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil along with our diced onions. Cook those up until they're nice and tender, then we'll hit it with a little salt and pepper, about half a teaspoon each. Once they just start to turn a little golden brown, we'll add in 2 to 3 large cloves of crushed garlic and we'll cook that until fragrant. Once that smells nice and good, we'll add in 3 tablespoons of flour and turn the heat to medium-low. This is called a roux, and it's the secret to making a great cheese sauce. Go ahead and mix all that up and cook it just a little bit until you can slightly smell the flour. Now we'll slowly stream in about 3 cups of whole milk. Now this part is always a little concerning. Your gut may tell you to add in a little more milk, but just hold out. We're looking for the onion mixture to become a very thick paste. As you continue to add small amounts of milk and cook it out, you'll find that it will continue to loosen up and become less pasty. Once the roux has a few bubbles forming, we're going to add in handfuls of Parmesan. Make sure to sprinkle the parm all around the roux. If you don't, you'll end up with large clumps of cheese that don't melt correctly. Once the first handful of Parmesan is melted, you're going to add another small handful and continue that. Make sure to do this to your tastes. I added about 9 small handfuls of Parmesan, which is about 2.5 to 3 cups. Once that's good and cheesy, we'll add in our chicken along with the penne and broccoli mixture. Give it a good mix and make sure everything's coated in our delicious sauce. And that's it. Serve it up with some garlic bread and enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another tasty halal recipe.